Progressive presents Mindfulness with Flow.
Before you lies a beautiful meadow. In that meadow, Progressive Direct has placed its auto insurance rates alongside those of competitors. You select the lowest rate and feel a great sense of calm. A great sense of...
Compare Progressive Direct rates with competitors' rates so you can rest easy. Visit Progressive.com. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and Affiliates. Comparison rates not available in all states or situations. Prices vary based on how you buy.
All right, nothing like a little suspense to get the night started. How's it going, guys?
Thanks
for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for hanging around, guys.
Me and BTC episode number 198. We are getting James Bond, NY cartoons, and flapping Flemish chat. So thanks for joining us, guys. Bitcoin Gold, what the heck? I mean,
yeah,
literally, it's still not even a thing. I mean, we kind of expected this, but it's still just like, what? I haven't met a single person interested in it. So I want to go over some of that. And another letdown, Amazon. Amazon didn't say a word about Bitcoin and all that. I am. And I'm here with
Zach Vole, and we're ready to talk about all the shitty Bitcoin forks.
Oh, geez, yeah. Man, they're gonna keep coming almost almost no doubt anymore.
There's people on Twitter are like, so they're like, this is the third wave. The first wave was just everyone created an altcoin or an app coin. The second wave was all these ICOs, and now someone even said it's an IFO, initial fork offering. Everyone's just gonna fork now, and it's
that's gonna be the next thing. You got to buy up all the IFO domain names and get into that space because it's coming in hot.
See, coming soon from
totally.
you, me, and BTC is we should create a Bitcoin index. So it's like an index fund, except because if you hold all of the forks in like a year or two, there have to be at least maybe a dozen other forks. And if you hold all of them, I imagine it'll be at least double whatever the Bitcoin Classic value is. So just buy into the Bitcoin index, which means just buy Bitcoin and wait for everyone to fork.
Yeah, could totally see it. Before we get into this, I'm gonna quick share my screen as I normally do. This, me and BTC.com/live. Hello, James Bond. You can shut up. Took as long as it did to take. You can see the video here. You can see the chat. He also says, just buy BTC. I agree with that in general. The problem is some people can't agree on what BTC is. That's a serious question when it comes to all these forks.
Tim is having responding to James Bond, Tim is having serious gastrointestinal problems, so he is not joining the show tonight.
Exactly. That's the news on the Tim front. So that's worth.
Why do you like Tim more than Dan and I anyway? Jeez, James.
Yeah, screw off, James. I'm gonna ban you again. Got another good point. If you buy Bitcoin, you get all the forks, and that's true. That's one of the arguments for hodling is no matter what fork happens, you get them all. So definitely a good argument from my mind.
Mm-hmm.
You got some show notes here, guys, if you want to read those. The links to the cover. We're not really going to read any word for word. We're just going to have some fun commentary. Normally, you get a poll down here, but had a busy day, as you noticed. So, at least not yet. I don't know. Maybe I'll come up with something during the show and pop it in there. But I want to give a quick shout out to this logo here, Pride of Our Footscray Community Bar. One of our listeners is working on a Bitcoin accepting bar. So I wanted to, so you can click that if you're interested. Follow their Facebook page.
That's awesome. I've ranted. Well, so there's a couple bars in the area I discovered that accept Bitcoin, but that's awesome. I love that. Where is it located?
It's in, I've got the Facebook page right here. No. Somewhere. But yeah, so this one of our biggest fans. He's been for ages, supporting the show for ages over on Patreon. So that's you, me, and btc.com/feed us over there. He's been great. Yeah, there it is. Should have asked.
Right
you
on.
probably told me.
Right on.
But yeah, so it's great. Community bar. Looking right there. Shut up, James. He says Tim's the most funniest person here. I don't know what he's talking about. So kicking it off. Yeah, let's get into these forks more.